Nitrogen Production Improvement Transformation of Air Separation Unit. Part 1. A steel-making user of Deere air separation set up their air separation unit in the early stage. At that time, due to the small amount of nitrogen required by the process and in order to reduce the investment, the molecular sieve adsorption purification process of 1-to-1 oxygen and nitrogen was adopted. There was no water chiller equipped, and a large amount of crude nitrogen was extracted to the water cooling column to reduce the temperature of cooling water. With the improvement of steel making process and the increase of steel making capacity, the amount of nitrogen is increased, and the product structure and production capacity of the original air separation unit can no longer meet the production demand of steel making process. The investment in new unit is large and there are many related problems. Through investigation and analysis, it is decided to transform the old air separation unit to meet the nitrogen demand of the user. When the ratio of oxygen to nitrogen is 1-to-1, the ratio of nitrogen from the cold box to crude nitrogen is 1-to-3. It is found that the ratio of nitrogen from the cold box to crude nitrogen can reach 3-to-1 under a certain amount of processing air. Due to the limitation of reconstruction cost and construction period, it is decided to use the original heat exchanger and pipeline in the cold box to interchange the corresponding interface of main pipeline of nitrogen with crude nitrogen in the cold box on the upper column. Compared with the process that all the original crude nitrogen is drawn out from the top of the main heat exchanger, the crude nitrogen gas pipe from the molecular sieve adsorber outside the cold box is connected to the main pipe of the original nitrogen out of the cold box, and the main pipe of the original crude nitrogen out of the cold box is connected with the nitrogen pipe network of the user.